Today we're taking a look at the Erickson 58541 yellow 2-inch by 40-foot ratchet strap tie down with J hooks. We have it all tied up together after we use it with securing our Jeep here in our enclosed trailer. We have about 3 inches to spare in the front and the back, so it was important that these straps held tight and did not get loose during the movement of the Jeep. You can see it right there. I am happy to say that we got to our destination and the Jeep was still in place and the straps stayed secured. They did work as expected and they are very heavy duty, but they are also very easy to use. The ratcheting portion of them and the loosening of the straps, I'm happy to say I was able to do that myself without my husband's help. I do hope you find this review helpful.